What is going on, guys? This is David with 915 Web Design. I'm here with my son, and today we're going to show you guys how to do some title tags, how to do your page layout in the most optimal way to help your rankings out. If you're looking to create a website, or if that's the thing that you're trying to accomplish for your business, congratulations, first of all. Big step, and with these tips and tricks, you're going to be able to create a really sick website. So let's get started, guys. So before we get to it, into the nitty gritty, we need to understand what a website is so we can understand the significance of having title tags that are optimized, having meta descriptions that are optimized. In essence, what a website is, it's a document online that gets indexed. And when I say that it gets indexed, that's what Google shows. They show pretty much the results of their search index. And that's why when you create content, you want to create it in a way that's optimized so you can come up first in the search engines, and so you can have the right data available for Google to know that you are the business that should be shown on the results. So what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna show you guys what we have on the search engines now. So you might remember our entity that we're trying to, kind of match. If you don't, let me go ahead and pull up the live search. Oh man, sorry guys, my son's kind of getting a little agitated here. Let me give him another apple here. Yeah. Yummy. Your apple. All right. So sorry, I'm trying to, do this right now because I have two kids, two businesses that I run, so it's kind of have to, do the best you can with the time that you have. 915. Whoa. There it is. Okay. So let's go ahead and look. Check out our competitors. So these guys right here are the #1 dudes. We're gonna go ahead and check out their webpage so we can see how their title tags are, and so we can compare them with the recommendations that I have put together for us as we build out this page here. So there's a couple of things that are really important when it comes to building your title tags. And if you don't know what the title tags are pretty much the information that Google shows on the search results. So for example, let's go ahead and whoa, sorry dudes, trying to work here with my son. So let's go ahead and web design here. So we're gonna go ahead and see what comes up for web design. And the title tags that we're seeing is this right here, right? We have what is web design, the ultimate guide to web design. So you can see here there's occurrences of that keyword in the title tag. And that's something that's a ranking factor, as well as in the description we have here, web design as one of the first words in the meta description. So when you create your titles, when you create your documents, you want to have the keyword that you're trying to rank for. For a specific homepage, you want to have it as far left as possible. And the reason why you want to have it as far left as possible is because Google, the search engines, when they're reading the documents, they read them from left to right. So it gives more relevance, more weight to the keyword if it's to the left. And it just, it has to do with the way that, English is spoken. And, it's something that you have to keep in mind that is done to optimize for your keyword. So I've already gone ahead and done this for us, and also I've gone ahead and included in the description of this video. Sorry guys, my kid's crying. Here, let me try to calm him down. Here you go. Here's your apple. Oh, it's okay. No, it's okay. So we've gone ahead and crawled this website here to check out, the way that their structure is, and based off of that, we're gonna copy that structure in ours. You can tell here. So our main keywords, these are our keyword buckets. Our main keyword is web design, and some variations of that would be, or close matches to those keywords would be El Paso SEO, El Paso web design, SEO El Paso, marketing companies in El Paso. So all these keywords here are the ones that we're going to be trying to target with. And then we also have our modifiers. So the modifiers are local digital marketing SEO services agencies in El Paso. So pretty much going to be modifying the main keyword with the modifier words. Do's and don'ts when it comes to building out your pages, guys, or your title tags and your meta descriptions is you want to use your keywords in the page titles and tags or a close variation. Okay. You want to include local factors. So that would be like phone numbers, locations like Far East, Northeast, etc. You can include a U.S. Postal Service or a zip code. Include your brand as far to the right as possible. And really, you're supposed to keep your keywords, your title tags, 70 keywords or less, but Google will read beyond that. And if your name, your business name, your brand name is in the far right, the very end, that's good. And you'll still be at red, and it'll still give the value to, or link the keywords together. So a couple things you don't want to do. You do not want to repeat your keyword if it's in the URL. Or a close variation. You want to use a close variation of that. But don't over optimize. So for us, for example, we have the URL is 915 web design. So it would be smart for us not to, use it also in the description as the very first keyword, because that's gonna definitely look, we're trying to over optimize. All right. So you also try not to look spammy. Use hyphens. Don't use bars. Bars denote keywords, so you want to make sure you're using hyphens to not look spammy. Don't make drastic changes to ranking pages. I have a couple of pages that are ranking already #1 for their homepage. Don't want to make changes to those too much. There are little things you can add here and there, but for the most part, you want to leave it the same. So with those things in mind, here's the title tag for the homepage that we're gonna do. So we're gonna have web design is gonna be the first word, and then we're gonna have our phone number, business name, and El Paso marketing company, and then the business brand 915 web design. So that's what we have. Now we're also gonna have the meta description, and the meta description is this right here. So hire the best marketing company near El Paso, Texas, creating amazing websites that will help you get more sales with SEO. And then the phone number, we have free estimates at the far end. And so there you have it, guys. That's how you want to do your keywords on your title tags. It's really important that you do not over optimize. If you have any questions, or if you want to see more videos like this, hit a like. Thanks for being patient. I got my kid with me. Here, let me show him one more time. Leo, no crying. Look. Hey, what's up, guy? Yeah. All right, guys. So David signing